Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing how to fix your site doesn't include support for the page layer block error. You might see similar errors if you are using any other site builder plugins like Elementor, Beaver Builder, etc. There are two easy ways to fix such errors. First, go to your site/wp-admin dashboard. Then select the page you are trying to edit. Your page will look something like this. If you are seeing the Edit with Page Layer button on the top right side of the screen, click on it. The page layer editor will now open. It might take some time to load. After loading is complete, you will see your website in proper format. There you go, you can now edit your page as you want. There is another direct method to fix this error. Whenever you want to edit a page, just select the Edit using Page Layer option here. You will be redirected here. If you found the video helpful, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you.